a wonderful corner in the western part of the Balkan Mountains called Vrčanski Balkan. Where winds can be like this. Where people can go here, there, and everywhere. And where rivers carry names like Left River, not that we found the right one. The mountain offers beautiful colors. And local guides can take you up to the meadows where semi-wild horses run freely, like this. Or you can simply